Hi, now let's move on to our next step of trend analysis, that is analyzing our own company that we created in Tally. As we have no relation with Hallmark company and we don't care if Hallmark company has good cash or bad cash or high depreciation or low depreciation. What we really care about is trend analysis of our own company. So I'll request you to open your Tally right here, and then after you have done it, go to the gateway of Tally. That is the default page, so you really cannot go there. You will automatically come here. Okay, enough time given to open it. Now go to balance sheet. Which one do you want to export first? Balance sheet or income? Or yeah, let's export balance sheet first. Open the balance sheet. Okay, now opening this page right here, what do you have to do? You have to click on schedule 6, that is the reporting standard of the company. Oops. Yeah, schedule 6 right here. Can you see it? Or you can hit Alt S. Now it's possible that if you have created a company in some different country, or you belong to a different country, it is very much possible that it does not show you this column right here. So what to do if it does not show you? If you want to go, if it does show you, you can click on this and see the magic. It is comparative statement for 2020 and past year 2019. Okay, all the segregation are done automatically. Cool. But as we are hard human workers, hence we will not do this way. I'll press escape, and instead of doing this, let's do one thing, that is go to this column right here, that is F12 configure. Okay, F12. Okay, let's try hitting F12 and click on yes to vertical balance sheet. Okay, yes. Also, this will be much simpler format, hence we'll be able to understand more. Show percentage. Do you want to see percentage? What do you say? I'll say let's try yes for a time. Liability and asset, it depends upon your country. Most of the Asian countries follow liabilities and asset. Most of the American companies follow asset liabilities. And yeah, Europe and Australia also follows liabilities asset. Hence it does not matter. Okay, so depending on your country you can choose yourself. Now what was this feature? Name only defaults. Suppose you have a balance sheet that is in millions, 10,000, and if you want to remove all these figures, you can choose the factors and it will be divided by it, and only the, suppose it's 10 million, so only 10 will be shown. Okay, show currency symbol, obviously yes. Okay, right here you can see the magic of percentage, that is this is always 100%, and how much percentage of total, what, how much percentage of total. First of all, let's change the date. Such idiotic thing to do. 1 4 19 2 31 3 20. Yeah, okay, now this is correct. How much percentage of current liabilities is of total source of funds, that is capital plus liability, hence this is 2.24 percentage only. Okay, and capital account is mostly 78%. So yeah, now why are we adding these percentage? Although we should not, we are adding this because we need it, and because we don't have the comparative figure of previous years. Okay, because we did not enter anything in the previous years, if you remember. Now go to this new column. Okay, Alt C. Let's see what it has. New column. And here you have to enter the detail of the previous year balance sheet. 1/4/18 to 31/3/19. That is previous year, previous financial year. Okay. Simple. Method of stock valuation. As I told you, Tally offers many methods. Let us be default. Type of values to show actual with post period dated, expense budget, post dated, no actuals. Okay. Yeah. So right here you can see, as there is not much change, hence let's adjust it this way only. So if you want to learn that how did we arrive at this, I'll tell you. First we entered alt. What was the figure? F12, right? Okay. Do you want to learn from the get? Okay, forget that. F12. Yes to vertical balance sheet. Oops. F12. Yes to vertical balance sheet. Okay. Yes. Yes to vertical balance sheet. You can skip this because I'm just going slow in case any one of you have missed. Yes to vertical balance sheet. Yes to percentage. Okay, please don't let these percentage confuse you. Cool. And if we want, we can remove it further. Okay. Then going back to Alt plus C equal to, what do we have to do here? Enter details, enter previous year, previous financial year dates. Okay, year dates, and let everything be default, let everything be as same. Okay, yeah, now that is the simplest step. Or you can just press alt plus S if you have this right here. Okay, schedule 6. I don't know about other countries, but I know about some, so it is obviously there in your country. Hence you can just choose this or you can just choose this. There will be no difference in this. I'll show you. Okay, so this is just an extension, and it is more complicated because we don't have like short-term provisions, other current liabilities, and yeah, obviously we have entered most of the values that is used in practical life, and I think that will be enough if you have a company less bigger than Apple. Okay, so and one more thing that you have to do is, okay, right here, alt plus F1 equal to detailed. So as we have decided, we are not doing this, we are doing this one. You can obviously carry out that one if you want. Okay, so this is our process, and if I'll just take a screenshot of it. Okay, not a screenshot. Oops. Just a second. Okay, I'm done with the screenshot, and you have to press F1. Okay, yeah. So right here it has opened all of these. Cool. Now what do we have to do? Remove this. You have to click on Alt plus E. And how do you convert it into Excel? Okay, this function right here, that is, it will export. What will it export? It will export this whole sheet. Okay, let's try hitting Alt plus E. Alt plus E. Okay, then you have to click on no. Go to no. And why no? Because we have to change our format here. That is not .xml. We have to change it to XLS. And how can we do it? Press no or hit escape. Okay, hit escape. Text, where are you? Text. Second step is hit escape, change format to spreadsheet. Okay, this is one, this is two, okay, this is three step. Hmm. Yeah, I'll click on no, and yeah, right here let everything else be default. Click on Excel. Okay, can you see? Excel, enter, and what is the fourth step? Learn the path of the file, learn the output file location. Okay, and our output file location is, where is it? C program files, tally ERP9. For most of you it will be same, but for some of you who have some expertise and they have messed up their tele installation, or they have changed their tele installation as per their drive space, you will find it there. Okay, output sheet name, balance sheet, it will be the sheet name, that is output file name. If you want to change the file name you can, but just remember one thing, that don't change the format of .xlsx. Okay, otherwise lots of things will change. Balance sheet, yes. Update again. Open exported file, font language, show currency symbol, format detailed, yes. Show vertical balance sheet, yes. Show percentage, yes. Show working capital figures, yes. And liability and asset, or asset liability. So let's go with asset, liability and asset. Okay, export, and now you can click on yes. Okay, or you can hit enter, or hit enter. Okay, so let's hit enter. Yes, it is exporting our balance sheet. Okay, it has exported and it has also opened it. Let's open it. Looks very good. Okay, and before opening it I'll just take a screenshot of these steps. Okay, alt plus E, and save it to, okay, yeah. So this is our balance sheet right here, and what to do now, what to do, just copy it. If you want you can use this as your raw sheet, but I have another sheet, that is analysis. Okay, so I'll copy it right here. Now we have copied it. It might look that this format is not as good and as convenient as you wanted, but yeah, what's what's the harm in it? 20. Okay, I'll just format it for you. Yeah, good. And why are you here, bro? Can't you go here? Okay, minus, and everything is INR only, so you don't have to shout out loud. You can just come here. Okay, so this is basically formatting going on, and if you want, you feel free to skip. Okay, or I'll just do one thing. I'll hit. Okay, oops. Yeah. Okay, beyond Milky Way, sources of funds. That is the that is what, liabilities plus equity share capital. Okay, profit and loss account is transferred to, that is the rule, profit and loss account, that is the final figure is always transferred to which column? That is this side here. Okay, it is transferred to reserves and surplus, or retained and earnings. These are the assets. Okay, yeah, looks very legit. And just for initial sake, let's hide these columns. Okay, as they are pretty confusing. Also, let's do one thing, that hide these. Okay, bye bye. Oops. Yeah, yeah. Okay. As you can see right here, this is the balance sheet that is of previous year, and this is the current year. Now, how do you realize, find that change, that is rupee change? Okay, rupee change. And can we write rupee? Control C. Okay. You can write your own currency if you have selected any else currency, or if you belong to some other country. That is totally okay. Nothing will change. And this one is percentage change. Percentage change. Okay. Good to go. Yeah, good to go. So let's start analyzing this balance sheet in our next lecture. And yeah, see you where we'll learn about more about our company and what are some flaws of our company and where should be audited. So yeah, good day.